Hello my dear KCET champions, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. This is your Ekta ma'am here. So my dear students, your KCET exams are coming really soon. Yes, it's happening next month, right? April, it came so fast. How are your PU2s? How are your PU2 actually mention? Do tell them how were they in the comment section. Okay, and yes, so my dear students, you know, there's a KC30 Crash Course we have launched for you people out there. Yes, for all of you who wants to complete their syllabus in this time. Yes, I know some of you may be starting a little late, forgotten the PU1 syllabus already, right? Do not worry, we got you covered. We have made this KC30 Crash Course specially for those students who are starting from the bottom of their preparation, right? From zero we are considering, right? We are taking from PU1, PU2, all the classes will be there. Okay, now let me tell you why you should enroll for KC30. So my dear students, the KC30 batch, it is starting from 21st of March. Yes, on 21st you will be having the orientation and your first class will be on 22nd of March, right? What you will be getting here, 30 days live online crash course. Yes, 30 days live classes will be there. We'll cover PU1, we'll cover PU2, all your doubt classes will be there, right? And you will be getting 10 mock test. Yes, 10 tests to practice there, right? And KCET previous year questions are available to you with all the solutions. These are all the previous year question papers that are available to you with the solution, okay? And the complete syllabus revision for PU1 and PU2, right? As I told you, it's for the students who are starting right now, who didn't have time and who couldn't prepare maybe due to some other reasons. But don't worry, we all are here, we all are working very hard for you. We will be covering both PU1 and PU2 complete revision along with the doubt session. All the live classes will be there. Chapter wise KCET PYQs you will be getting in this KC30 batch, right? So let's say if you supposedly you feel good about a chapter, you study the chapter and you feel good that I want to know how much I remember about it and what's my knowledge for this particular chapter. So you can you have the access to the chapter wise PYQs. Chapter wise PYQs, yes, for the last 10 years. Then 10 full length KCET mock tests are also provided to you, obviously. Okay, and the start date is from 21st March from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Yes, let's buckle up my kiddos. Next month is for you all, for all the KCET aspirants out there. We have your back, don't worry. Okay, and it's a complete English batch. Fully preparation, it will be fully in English. Now who should join this batch? Students with zero prep or students who wants to revise. So it's best for both the students actually. The students who with zero prep, they have everything is covered there. PU1, PU2, mock tests are there. You have previous year question papers, right? Everything is available. And students who want to revise, who are already confident, you go ahead with the questions, you go ahead with the mock test, you go ahead with the chapter wise test, yes, that are there, and also revise with us, with teachers. We have doubt solving classes there. They will solve doubts together, right? Whatever doubt you have, all the doubts you can come with them and we'll solve them together. Okay, so both the students can join. Now yes, who should join? The students who wants who wants the top 1000 rank. If you want your rank under top 1000, you should join this because it's a very beneficial course for all of you. For anyone who is preparing, who is at 0th level of their preparation and who is at top level, who are revising and all, it's beneficial for all of the students. Now my dear students, if you do not believe me, we have our previous year toppers. Prajwal who scored rank 171. Then we have Kiran, Deeksha, Sachin, Mohammed Sahil, right? They all are our toppers who chose this batch, who chose the KCET batch, and they scored very good ranks in through three-digit ranks. You see? And again, as you can see, these are the testimonials of all our toppers. Okay, I hope. And what is the price? Yes, I forgot the price. How can I forget the price? See, so the price is at 2499. The price will not change. It's okay. It will stay at 2499 for all the KCET aspirants out there. Okay, so enroll quickly, and as it's going to start soon, 21st March, right? It's very quick. Okay, that's all, and enroll today, and you can secure your top 1000 rank in KCET 2026. All the best.